Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to week 2 of the 2 weeks weight gain challenge. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Neetu and this is a channel where we talk about lifting weights and eating in caloric surplus to gain weight. Now everybody who follows me on Instagram, you guys know that I kind of hurt myself a little bit at the gym while filming the workout video for today, which is why I don't really have a fresh video today for you guys, but I have compiled a great leg workout for you guys which you can follow as workout video number 1 for the weight gain challenge. Just because I have stopped doesn't mean you have to stop. I really want you guys to keep going stronger and smash week 2 just with the same energy and power that you have done week 1. Now, before getting into the video, I just wanted to quickly touch on what happened today and my lesson learned that I would really want you guys to learn as well. So I was actually running behind schedule with this filming of this video and editing and all that kind of stuff, which is why I kind of hurried myself into, filming the workout and getting it all done. And in the process of doing that, I kind of ignored warming up my body and warming up my joints and directly got into lifting weights, which is the reason why I actually ended up straining my lower back slightly. Now, it is nothing too extreme. I'm feeling a lot better already, but I think I'm going to give it at least a week's break for it to heal and recover from whatever I did to it. So the biggest takeaway today for you and me is to always make sure to warm up yourself before getting into any kind of weightlifting. For those who just have limited time to work out, I would still say please give about 5 to 10 minutes to warm up your body and warm up your joints. And I think the second reason for me doing what I did to myself was because I was too much focused on filming and did not pay much attention to the form and technique that I was in. And it literally takes just a second to ruin the form and get into an injury. So please always remember to focus on what you're doing, maintaining your form and warming up beforehand so you are nice and safe and secure before you get into lifting those heavy weights. Alright, so that was that. Let me take you straight into the workout and let's do it.
First exercise is narrow stance squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hold the dumbbells on your side, keeping your upper body nice and tight. Try and sit backwards and perform a squat. Come down where your thighs come sort of parallel to the ground and raise yourself back up. Now this was the set I managed to do in the gym today before hurting myself. So always remember to keep your core nice and tight when performing any of the exercises. Second exercise is hip thrusts. Now rest your shoulder blades onto a table or a chair. Your feet should be just a little wider than shoulder width and your knees should be right above your ankles. In this position, drop your hips down and then using your hips, lift them back up and squeeze at the top of the movement. Third exercise is curtsy lunges. Now these are very similar to regular lunges, but the only difference lies is instead of taking a step backwards directly, you're actually taking a step backwards and sort of inwards towards the other leg. I'm just adding in a picture from the back just so you can see what I mean by the angle and lunging towards the other leg. Next exercise is lateral raises. Now you can totally do it with a dumbbell or just body weight to begin with. Just place the dumbbell on the side of your hip and then using the side of the hip, try and lift that leg up as high as possible and slowly bring it down. Moving on to some donkey kicks and hamstring curls. Now you don't have to have a band for this one. I just happen to have this clip done with a band. With or without the band, get into the position. Using your glute, try and kick upwards towards the ceiling. Now at the top of the movement, remember to squeeze that glute nice and tight before bringing it down. Once you have finished the 10 repetitions of your donkey kicks, stay in the position and then extend your leg out and curl it back in, working on those hamstrings. Remember to squeeze your hamstrings with each curl. Lastly, we have some squat to calf raises. Now the main focus of this exercise is on calves. Staying nice and low in the squat position, lift yourself up on the toes, squeezing them calves when they're nice and raised and then slowly bringing them down and standing back up. So you're performing a squat as well as a calf raise every single repetition.
Alright you guys, that was the workout. I hope you really enjoyed the compiled video of this workout video number 1 of week 3 of weight gain challenge. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, as well as post a screenshot of one of these workout videos that I'm posting on your Instagram story and share your success and share your progress with me on Instagram to be able to win my paid program. Now I hope you guys will follow this workout and smash it through nice and strong. I would love to hear from you guys on Instagram, so keep me posted on how you go, and I will see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time with another workout video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.